Have you ever walked into a restaurant determined to stick to your healthy eating plan, only to leave feeling guilty after giving in to a plate of creamy pasta or a sugary dessert? If you're someone managing prediabetes, type 2 diabetes, or following a weight loss diet, dining out can feel like a minefield of temptation, especially during holidays with family and friends. But what if there was a way to enjoy eating out without derailing your healthy lifestyle or compromising your diet plan? Stick around until the end of this video to discover practical, science-backed strategies that will help you make healthy choices when dining out, even in the most tempting situations. Dining out with friends and family, especially during holidays, can be one of the toughest challenges for anyone trying to stick to a healthy eating plan. Picture this: it's Thanksgiving weekend, and everyone at the table is passing around a basket of warm, buttery rolls while raving about the restaurant's famous dessert. The pressure to just have a little can feel overwhelming, and for those with prediabetes or on a weight loss diet, giving in can lead to guilt and a setback in their health goals. A 2022 survey by the American Diabetes Association found that 54% of people with type 2 diabetes reported feeling pressured to eat unhealthy foods during social gatherings, often leading to a cycle of overeating and regret. To stay committed, start by setting a clear intention before arriving at the restaurant. Remind yourself why you're making healthy choices, whether it's to manage blood sugar levels, lose weight, or simply feel better. If you know you'll face temptation, eat a small, protein-rich snack before heading out, like a handful of almonds or a Greek yogurt. This helps curb hunger and reduces the urge to overindulge. At the table, don't be afraid to communicate your goals. A simple, "I'm trying to stick to my diet plan. Can you help me stay on track?" can turn your friends and family into allies rather than sources of pressure. Another practical tip is to order first. Research from the Journal of Consumer Research shows that people tend to mimic the orders of those who go first, so by choosing a healthy meal like a grilled chicken salad with dressing on the side, you might inspire others to follow suit. If dessert is a must for the group, suggest sharing a single portion to satisfy the craving without overdoing it. For example, splitting a slice of cheesecake 4 ways cuts the calories and sugar significantly, while still letting you enjoy the moment. These strategies can help you navigate social settings with confidence. But what about portion control? How do you avoid overeating when restaurant servings are often massive? Portion control is a critical skill for making healthy choices when dining out, yet it's where many people struggle, especially those managing weight loss or diabetes. Restaurants are notorious for serving oversized portions, sometimes 2 or 3 times what a balanced meal should be. A study by Tufts University found that the average restaurant entree contains 1,200 calories, far exceeding the 500 to 700 calories recommended for a single meal. For someone with prediabetes or type 2 diabetes, this can lead to dangerous blood sugar spikes, while for those on a weight loss diet, it can stall progress. One effective strategy is to take control of portions before the meal even arrives. When ordering, ask for a to-go box right away and pack half of your meal before you start eating. This not only helps with portion control but also gives you a healthy meal for the next day. Another tip is to use the plate method, a technique recommended by the American Diabetes Association. Visualize your plate half should be non-starchy vegetables like broccoli or spinach. 1/4 should be lean protein like grilled fish, and 1/4 can be a small portion of whole grains or starchy veggies like quinoa or sweet potatoes. If your meal doesn't match this balance, ask for substitutions. Most restaurants are happy to swap fries for steamed veggies or a side salad. Be mindful of liquid calories too. Alcoholic drinks, sodas, and even healthy smoothies can add hundreds of empty calories and spike blood sugar. Opt for water, unsweetened tea, or sparkling water with a splash of lemon instead. If you're craving something more flavorful, ask for a small glass of red wine, which has about 120 calories and may offer heart health benefits in moderation, according to a 2020 study in the Journal of the American College of Cardiology. By mastering portion control, you can enjoy dining out without feeling deprived or risking your health goals. But what's the final step to ensure you leave the restaurant feeling good about your choices? The final step to making healthy choices when dining out happens after the meal is over, reflecting on the experience to build sustainable habits. For individuals managing health conditions like prediabetes or type 2 diabetes, or those on a weight loss diet, this reflection can be a powerful tool. Take a moment to think about what went well and what could be improved. Did you stick to your healthy eating plan, or did you give in to temptation? If you overindulged, don't beat yourself up. Guilt can lead to a cycle of emotional eating. Instead, focus on what you learned. Maybe you realized that skipping the bread basket helped you feel more in control, or that ordering a side of veggies instead of fries kept your blood sugar stable. A 2019 study in the Journal of Behavioral Medicine found that people who reflected on their eating habits after dining out were 30% more likely to make healthier choices at their next meal. Use this reflection to set a small, achievable goal for your next dining experience, like asking for sauces on the side or sharing a dessert. Over time, these small wins will add up to big changes in your healthy lifestyle. Dining out doesn't have to be a source of stress or guilt. It can be an opportunity to enjoy food while staying committed to your health goals. If you found these healthy dining tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who might need it. What's your biggest challenge when dining out? Drop a comment below. Let's keep the conversation going.